'cause you don't need me anymore. You politely say I miss you, but we know you don't mean that anymore. Like when the doctor thought he caught you, then you weaseled through the door. Through the door of consciousness, San Francisco.